Just because you've saved changes to your web page does not mean they're visible to the rest of us. Changes don't go live online until you republish, which is super easy to do. Let's say that I want to change the theme of this website. So I've just made a change. I can see it, but no one else can see it until I go to Share, Publish and Share Link, and then I have a message that says, hey, you've made some changes since the last time you published and shared. Do you want to update your link? And I do. Of course, I'm going to be patient because I don't want to cancel this update. But once the update has occurred, this shareable link is not any different from the one that I originally used. It's just now been updated with new content. In other words, the link that you originally shared with us on February the 16th will still take us to your web page. And as long as you update your link each time you add content, that content will be visible. Thank you for the time that you took to watch this video.